Okay, it's your girl TT Logan and Miss
Naira.
Okay, so today is Naira's hair day. I did not wash her hair right now, but it's okay. She just have like a lot of grease still in her hair from when I greased her scalp earlier in the week. So also
We using the Soul Sister braid hair because I use this and I use the number 4.
Good job. Yep, number 4.
I'm talking about, is it color or size?
The color.
Yeah, I use brown because my hair is brown.
Good job. So color number 4. And then we also have some of the Soul Sister Yaki Perm pre-stretched easy braid hair in blue. What I do for Naira hair, I just cut this much off and then I cut it in half and I stretch it. And she's getting the ombre plaits this time again. I'm gonna also insert pictures of when her hair was, I wanna say pink and purple. So it was pink and purple, so I'll show y'all a little clip of that, and that's pretty much what we're doing, the same style, but in blue.
So these are the products that we use in my hair. We just bought this new Shining Gem, the red one.
This one is the Shining Gem Magic Fingers for Braiders. So this is a new one to us, and we're just gonna be using this to slick and smooth down the braid hair.
Now we have the original one that we always use.
So the yellow one we use for what?
Always. My edges, my slick and smooth my hair.
Yes, so we're going to use this one to smooth down her natural hair.
And my parts where she has the braided.
Right.
Now, and we use the Blue Magic Conditioner Hair Dress. Nourish your hair and scalp. We use this to when we part my hair and to grease my scalp.
Good job.
And we use the Kiss Maximal Speed Nail Glue, but we don't use it for our nails. We use it to seal the end of the braid because last time where it walked loose, so now we use this one so it won't. We have a parting comb and we have this detangler brush. Oh yeah, and to slick the edges.
What I like about this edge brush, y'all, is this tiny comb on the bottom. I like that because when you part the hair and you put the gel on, sometimes I like to use that to just slick that part all together. And it's really short and you can just get real precise with that.
We forgot to show you my fidgets from Christmas. I have these fidget spinners, the ones that pop on the end like this. I have pink and green. Remember the other video where I showed you the Mickey Mouse Poppet? This one.
This was one of her early Christmas gifts.
Yeah, from the mall.
This is so cute. I love this thing.
It keeps you busy.
Yes, it does.
And grown-ups play with it too.
All right, so we're going to get started and we'll be back with y'all when she's all done. Hope y'all enjoyed this
the
video. Everybody comment, share, like, and subscribe. And let us know your thoughts on today's video and what you think about Nayara hair. You really like it?
Yes.
What you like about it?
The color, the hairstyle.
Yeah. So she get this style pretty often. I don't know why I never had her on camera with her hair done. I just noticed that. But anyway, be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you thought about the video. And always tell your friends to become my friends so we can all be friends.